Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. It's so refreshing to work po with Alden. Sa set po, a week ago, I got really sick. I had chills, nagnat ako. And Alden talaga, alam kong loving niya na anak. So yung pagiging naturalesa niya na mapagmahal sa pamilya, nadadala niya yon sa set, sa mga kasama niya. Isa na po ako naka-witness to dahil talagang binantayan din po niya ako, pinainom niya ako ng gamot. He was always asking, are you okay? Are you okay? So, appreciate ko po yun. It's very important to have that working relationship with your co-actors kasi mas gumagaan po yung set. And I really appreciate what Alden showed me that night when I wasn't feeling well. So, he's a very loving son, that's for sure.